Hey everybody, I'm Mrs. Kuhn, and again, welcome to my home. You are at your home, and we are all riding out the COVID-19 pandemic together in our homes. This one goes out to my school families. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a shout out and say, hey, I want to let you know that you can access all of my lessons that I've ever done or ever planning on doing on my YouTube channel here. And then I'm going to be putting out a lot new videos for you to do specifically at home. And I'm going to be sending home activities and fun creative projects for you to be doing so you still getting the creative brain going, okay? I miss you already, but I'm lucky because I get to see my kindergarten through fifth graders again when we get back. And so that's really awesome. I just love being an art teacher, and that's one of the many reasons is I get to see you guys year after year. Sixth graders, I'd love for you to come back, collect your artwork when we get back, stop by or have your parents stop by. See you guys off. I didn't get the chance to say goodbye, but I just want to let you know you were one of my best, most favorite sixth grade classes that I've ever had. And we made some amazing projects this year. I was so excited to show them off to the world. We might have an early art show and show off all of those projects that you guys did. Anyway, we don't know what the plan is exactly yet. We've got some amazing educators and administrators that are working on the plan on how all this is going to happen, and I trust them and I know they're going to do a great job. Until then, stay tuned here on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be checking in with you guys through official school district channels as well, okay? Hey, and I'd love to hear from you guys. So if you want to leave me a comment here on YouTube, or you can shoot me an email for all my students, that would be awesome. I'd love to hear from you guys, see how you're doing, see if you are interested in making some art with me at home. Hug your family, have a nice time, make some art, post it on Artsodia. Can't wait to see what you make while you're at home. Bye guys.